Since 2000, Youngstown Municipal Judge Elizabeth Cobley had urged mayors and city council members to provide a new, modern, and safe space to hold court. Now she finally has it. Yeah, as First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti tells us, with that accomplished, the judge about to pursue a whole new set of challenges in retirement.
She's only been able to sit here a little more than 3 months, but Municipal Judge Elizabeth Cobley is retiring. She's done what she set out to, moving the court into the old Youngstown City Hall annex.
If it took me 6 months to accomplish that, if it took me a year to accomplish that, whenever I accomplished that and I felt comfortable that we were up and running, then it was time to go.
Cobley says after taking September off to use up vacation time, she will leave office in October, 18 years after she was appointed. At that time, she had successfully beaten breast cancer, but getting the court moved was another battle.
We have fought through, this would be the 5th administration.
Although Cobley and her fellow judges had pushed for newer, more secure facilities, the argument always came down to money.
The court was never a priority for any administration, nor was it ever going to be. So we were serious about it. We had to file a lawsuit.
Finally, then Mayor John McNally agreed to settle the case and work on the $8 million renovation started in 2016. Cobley, who sits as administrative judge for the court, also became the first woman to serve here, coming at a time when both her predecessor and her old boss were among dozens convicted as part of a federal corruption probe.
Jerry, I had just had it with all the corruption that appeared to be running rampant, and I knew that I can make a difference, and I think in some small way that I have.
Now, at the age of 60, Cobley is moving to Florida, where she also has a law license, thinking her work here is now done.
I'm leaving this place in very good hands, and I trust that they will maintain it that way.
In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.
Judge Cobley's retirement will happen roughly 14 months before her term actually expires. Here's how a successor will be chosen. The pick will be made by the governor. He's asking local Republican leaders to take applications from people who'd like to be considered and screen them.
We want good people to serve on the bench. And that's the governor's goal, too, is to find the best qualified person to serve on the bench and ideally somebody who can retain the seat at the next election.
The application deadline is 2 weeks away. A screening committee will go over them and pick the best ones for the governor to review. Governor Kasich will name the new judge to serve until the end of next year.